Hey, I'm Connor, and this is your Cyber Psychology Breakdown for December 22nd, 2025. Today's top cybersecurity story is a malicious Firefox extensions campaign. If you use Firefox, or you use add-ons or extensions for whatever browser you use, this may apply to you. What's happening is attackers are hiding malicious code inside the actual PNG logo files used by certain browser extensions. If you're studying for your Security Plus, you're probably familiar with hiding data inside images, the way JavaScript is being embedded inside these. It's called stenography, so make sure you don't miss that question for some easy points. There were a total of 17 add-ons affected, and Mozilla already pulled them off the Firefox Add-on store. But since extensions are third-party add-ons, if you've already installed one, it can still be sitting on your browser and you may need to remove it manually. For the full list, I'll add a link below, but a few examples are free-vpn-forever, darkreader4ff, and add-stop. If you're even a little bit worried this may impact you, take a minute to look at the add-ons and themes section of your browser, and remove anything that you don't recognize, don't use, or looks suspicious. If you're pretty sure you had a malicious add-on installed, it might be a good time to update your important passwords, make sure you have MFA enabled, and update Firefox. On the psychology side, we're quick to trust add-ons in a browser that we trust because of the halo effect. We assume that a popular, reliable browser is basically bulletproof, and that surely they'd never let anything malicious make it onto the official add-on store. Unfortunately, malicious software finds its way onto the add-on store of any browser. They do take action to protect us from malware, but you can't put all of your faith in your browser. You still need to take action and be aware, especially with add-ons. Like I said earlier, if you've already downloaded one of the add-ons containing malware, it isn't going anywhere until you remove it. Sometimes you need to be your own last line of defense. So as always, stay mindful, stay resilient, review your installed add-ons no matter what browser you use, and follow for more cyber psychology breakdowns.